here's an app called Magic Poser Art Pose Tool, a best 3D pose reference app. It's quite a niche app, but it's needed in some occasions to have these 3D pose images or artwork. Ever tried Googling for a pose or asking your friends to pose for your artwork? Then you should download and try Magic Poser. Magic Poser is a leading app for posing 3D characters, creating 3D scenes, and setting up stunning lightning effects. 12 million artists use our app and draw better and faster. Start creating poses within minutes on your mobile devices today. So you can see some of the examples which you can try out here. Then you can just open it up. I'm a first-time user, so you can just take some tutorial
of Magic Poser.
So then you can just see how to use it. It can be a bit complicated here, but yeah, you just have this character, and then you can rotate it here. You can just tap and just drag around like head or hand. You can also see some presets, everyday actions, and then you just approve it.
Drag your finger across the screen to rotate the camera.
And then you just kind of have it, and yeah, you just need to play with it. You can change the views, and you can just move it as whatever you want. You can change different characters. It's like pretty cool. And then yeah, I just move it around like that. So yeah, something like that, for example. And then, I don't know, you can just change preset. And then, I don't know, you can just take like a preview mode. You can export that as 3D object or 2D image, or you can also import. And then you can just do that and just tap export. Then scene, I can just save it as an image and allow access to photos. And then let's see how it might look like in the photos. So then you just have this photo available. It's pretty cool, and you just generated it in the app. And for some occasions, for some apps, for some graphics, you just need this 3D model to be able to use it somewhere. So it can be pretty helpful. So yeah, that's the Magic Poser app, and as you can see, I didn't even upgrade, so I don't need to upgrade to use it. So that's what it is. Then you have all your files, you have your account. You can always upgrade one-time fee to Pro. So just one-time fee is pretty cheap. There is a pretty advanced free version, as you can see, and then there is Master, $15 per month, where you can just try it out. You can always contact support, follow them, and then there is library, tutorials, and yeah, that's the quick overview.